Okay. Um, this is a testing. Okay. Okay, I'm in the house, and what I said in the video is a real the story. Why? Pablo born 1924. Two Pablo. One is a black hair, one is a white. Excuse me. Pablo black hair is a billionaire. A lot of people get jealous that Pablo, the black hair, is Abraham Lincoln Jr. The right hand, my father, it's me. The son, no more memory. Where is the father? And I told you that one, Pablo Harrison, declaiming Sanchez Ababa. Stayed at Don Pablo Cigar. Why they take over? Because the Jonah Magallanes was attacked the Philippines and to talk the Pablo White. Na, Dona, bring the Lucia to Hawaii. Na kidnap again. Belong the Pablo Black here, Abraham Lincoln Jr. You, Pablo White, you know already exactly that you are poor. You're not a billionaire. You take over a place, my father, and you hung up my father. You told the other people, you told your Dona Magallanes, your daughter, to hang up the Pablo black hair. You get jealous. You get jealous the Macri too. Why? Macri together that business, the Ababa family. But Macri stayed at Makaha. But the moving another house. I know that Macri not that together to you. That pretend Macri, the Jim and Lucifer together that Duna Magallanes your daughter. Now I told you, Pablo Harrison, you're gonna find out why you hung up my father Pablo. My father Pablo is a fuck a real the billionaire. Is a real the God. You a real God. Why come out is two Pablo. Two Pablo, one is a black hair, one is a white. But your face is a white, come out is Pablo Harrison. My father black hair come out is a black hair is Abraham Lincoln Jr. Match is Pablo Sanchez Ababa. You take over here, Duna Magallanes, and you got my triplets, three my triplets. You take over was the Traveler Hospital 1986. And you stealing my identity and you stayed at Don Pablo Cigar. Your father, Pablo White, was the Atlas Mining that Philippine Cebu. Take over the business, that mining that belonged to Lucia, gave it to me, my mother. And you kidnapped me, Pablo White. You punish me. Why? You don't like that Lucia go out. And nobody can see that Lucia, that you kidnap Lucia that belong to Pablo Black here. And this area, you have to remember this area, 1010 Rolling Lanes. This area, a Cave Mary and George Mary. You're a very clever man. You told the people and told your daughter, take care that John Rambo before, that Jonah Magallanes, they take over the business before. Now, the snake and the cat together again take over the business, the land, the house, a business, the Ababa family, and I found the business, 97. Yo, Jonah, I tracked down you. You the one traitor that my family. You're not real a queen, Donna. The Pablo's daughter is a queen, Donna. Is a billionaire. Queen is a fighter, Donna. Got the power. You don't know where that Lucia born, Donna. I got triplets, Donna. Why you claiming queen, Donna, that you not real queen? I grew up in Philippines, Donna. Why they kidnapped me was war in Hawaii, Donna. 1962, 1960. Where that Lucia? Down is Lucia. Donna. I belong Mary, Dagad, and Pablo black hair. And why is Pablo White declaiming Sanchez Ababa? That Pablo White is Pablo Harrison. Now Mary and Paula. Paula get jealous that why Mary got triplets. One is a white, two is a black hair. Aris Ababa is a Jokadi, is a white guy. Lemuel Ababa, the calling Renato. Na real. Lucia is Lucy. They kidnapped me, the Pablo and Paula, and talk that Mary go back to Hawaii. And all of a sudden, that Mary, he told that Paula, go back to Hawaii, Mary. Go back your Pablo black hair. I'm gonna stay the Pablo White. Now that's you told her, Paula. You get jealous, Mary, Paula. That Mary married that Pablo White too. But Pablo White, you traitor to Mary. You want that Mary Hankap come back over here, this room, and this room, familiar, this room belong, that Lucy, belong to me, this room before. And I told you this area is a big house, the pink house before, down the pink house and the Cave Mary. They closed the Cave Mary. They moving the door. And right now, the Church Mary, a lot of people looking why many kidnap that military because of your Jonah Magallanes. You send that military somewhere and you close the base, the Manila. Where is that base, the Manila? The Olongapo? You're the one, Jonah. You're the one identity theft. And you're the one take over the money dollars, but you don't have a billions of money dollars to fuck that military. You take over that military account, Duna. Where you go, that Duna? You sit off the Ria face. The cat take over. They sit off the Ria face military, Westpac, and the killing right there, the Ria face. And the ship too. They attack the cat, Duna. Yo, Duna. Yo, Duna. The military belong the Ababa family, Duna. Boy, billionaire Ababa family belong to Abraham Lincoln Jr. And John Rambo was take care of that one, and you take over that I was 2 years old. Jonah was war over here, the Hawaii. And this area, a lot of snake and a cat come out over here. That's before. But no matter what's before, my father, together to me, Dona, they put me the Pablo and Paola, the my father, that no more come back to claiming me the unbelong Pablo Blackhair. Pablo White, no already I'm a billionaire. No already I'm right hand of Mary. I'm Pablo Blackhair. No already the billions of money, the dollar is Lucia. They carry that is a very long time and nobody knows about me. Now right now my mouth is a big mouth. Nobody take over without the powers, Duna. You're gonna die the hands the Riafis. I'm gonna cut your head. Why you claiming queen? You're not real queen. The queen got the power and is a fighter, the queen. I'm gonna cut your head. You double crosser with me, you attack with me. I was working Labs Bakery and you put me Labs Bakery. I'm mapping God, mapping the queen, and you think the queen, no power, the queen. You're not a queen, you're a whore. I told you that one, your father Pablo White is a Pablo Harrison, is a poor. You're not billionaire, Pablo. Before you're billionaire, but you're no more billion. You get jealous that Pablo Sanchez Obaba. You get jealous that Abraham Lincoln Jr. The Abraham Lincoln Jr. born the Hanam away. The blessing over here is Pablo Sanchez Obaba. And you Harry Hankap. And why your name Pablo too? Why you claiming Sanchez Obaba? You get jealous. Why twice billion? You know already twice the billion and you claiming me daughter Harry. You kidnap me. I don't like you. I don't like you. I like my father and my mother Mary. You kidnap me, huh? You know already always money dollar is Lucia because I always ride a horse, the Santa Claus. And I remember my name, my Santa Claus. One is real Santa Claus. The gift in the back. I stayed at New York. No more the Hawaii, no more the in Philippines. My Santa Claus, I remember that name. I stayed at New York. One only, the New York, the Grace Ringle. That's my real Santa Claus. That's before. Now right now, I live with my Santa Claus over here, the Church Mary, before, the pyramid. Now you're gonna meet the real face. And I told you that one, you don't know about me. You no more memory, Pablo White, the Lucia, always the right, always the real Santa Claus. You fuck with me, Pablo White. You punish me. You get mad to me, I go out. Why? You scared that somebody say Lucia belong to Pablo Blackhair and Mary. You kidnap me. I was young that I was stay this area. And I grew up in Philippines and you blessing me in Philippines. Finally, I got record. My mother Mary report me about a family. I'm belong Pablo Blackhair because I'm together. My father Pablo Blackhair.